Maybe. Maybe. He's so real.
Everybody took care of you, Morgan?
Yeah. I'm about to die. And you're my little butt. Yeah, I'm about to die. You hurt my little butt. What? Papa, I know what you're trying to do. Alright.
Hey, if you're gonna go, you better be careful. That's it.
That's it. That's really it. Here you go. You better be careful, girl.
I don't think so.
Why?
You're not too sure-footed.
How come this is I think I found a fossil or something. Come here. Okay. Let me try this again. Look. Go on.
Morgan, please be careful.
Okay.
Want me to get her?
No. Don't give me.
What?
I got this, man. I got this.
Want me to help you?
No.
Now, how did you do it and Morgan got across?